Hey guys, in this video, I will show you Oculus promo codes. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, I will show you the top 3 websites with the best promo codes for Oculus. We will start with website number 1, which is PC World. On this website, you will find various promo codes such as $500 off the MetaQuest Pro Plus free shipping. You will see the code displayed. You can copy them and use them. Additionally, there is a direct link to the page where you can apply the promo code. Website number 2 is Wired. On this website, you will find various coupon codes for Oculus, such as an extra 28% off VR games. You will see the coupon code displayed, which you can easily copy. Now, the third website is Business Insider. Here you will find deals rather than promo codes. Clicking on Get Deal will take you directly to the page where the deal is available. If you need a promo code instead, you can click on Show Coupon Code and it will show you the coupon code and you can easily copy it. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.